Bonjour et bienvenue. Bonjour. Répétez. Bonjour. Bien. Dans cette classe, nous apprendrons le deuxième, l'article contracté. Dans cette classe, nous apprendrons le deuxième article contracté. In this class, we will learn the second contracted article. Second contracted article. That is, yesterday we learnt due and they, of the. Now we learn to the, to the. It is ditto. These two are same. This is of the, this is to the. That's the only difference. Now look at these sentences. I speak to the girl. Je parle. Parle, ça veut dire parle. Parle means speak. I speak to the girl. Or takes the meaning of to. Or at also. Here it takes the meaning of to. Je parle à la fille. Je parle à la fille. I speak to the girl. This is perfectly correct. This is allowed. All la is allowed to the girl. Girl is feminine singular, so I have written definite article la. Fine. Je parle à l'étudiant. I speak to the student. This is also correct. Or l'apostrophe is allowed. So, je parle à l'étudiant is perfectly correct. Now look at the next sentence. Je parle à le garçon. Boy is masculine singular. So I use le, definite article le, and this is not allowed in French. This is not allowed. This is wrong. If you write à le, this is wrong. Grammatical error. So this is not allowed. This becomes O. O is nothing but the contracted form of A plus le. To the. This is not allowed, so we change the spelling into O. Je parle au garçon. This is how you should say. You can say à l'étudiant, à la fille, but not à le garçon. That's wrong. Okay, this becomes au garçon. This is number one. Here it becomes due. You remember? Yesterday we learnt de plus le becomes due. A plus le becomes o. Got it? Okay. Now look at these sentences. Je parle à les garçons. I speak to the boys, plural. Girls, plural. Étudiants, plural. So, a plus les I have written because the nouns are plural. Definite article les will come. So, les I have written fine. A plus les, je parle à les garçons. That's wrong. You are not supposed to write. A plus les filles. A plus les étudiants. This is grammatical error. Okay. These three are not allowed. They should become O. O is nothing but the contracted form of A plus les. To the. Je parle à les garçons. That's wrong. But what's the meaning? To the boys. To the girls. To the students. This is not allowed. A plus les construction is not allowed. These three become O. O is, what's the meaning of O? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire O? To the. This is singular. This is plural. Understood? Exactly same. Here it becomes de plus les become. It becomes what? They, of the. Here it is to the. Okay, so here now you have learnt two new words. What are they? wo and wo. Same pronunciation. Wo. Understood? What's the meaning of wo? To the. Be careful. This is not allowed. All le is not allowed. All lay is not allowed. It becomes wo. Okay. So contracted articles du, des, aux. The, du, they, wo. Understood? Okay. Now with this, we close this class. Till we see tomorrow. Au revoir. Merci.